What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustle Crypto, the channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Bo Ski, back with another video. And on this channel, we talk about projects to give people like you and me the opportunity to make a passive income in the crypto space. I'm talking about real money. But as of lately, there's been a lot of projects been coming out there that haven't been lasting more than a month or more than 2 months. But I just want to talk about this in this next video, along with the current whitelist situation I just had, because I just had my first whitelist. And for those who don't know what whitelist is, it's just the opportunity to be part of a project before it even gets launches to the public. So you're able to get early access at a cheap price. I think I got in at 60 cents. And when it launched and when it's high, it's at $3.80. So I made like 5 times my money just by getting in early. But along with this video, I made a video 4 days ago about Lava Financial. Now, I know people been asking me, they've been commenting, asking me, hey, what's the difference between Lava Financial and everything else you done made in the past? Well, I want to address that too. So without further ado, if it's okay, between me and you, I like to get started. So let's get started to the video. Before we get started with today's video, I want to say if this is your first time on my channel, please hit the like, subscribe button, and get that bell notification. All you got to do is simply just hit that click, and guess what? You're part of my clique, the Hustle Crypto family. That way you don't miss out when I drop new content. And I don't want you missing out when I drop new stuff. So with that being said, man, let's get straight to the video. Okay, so the project I was talking about is called Etherstones. I did a previous video about it. So I was part of their whitelist. Like I said, I got in at 60 cents. And over here, it's like you create these little stones, and there are NFT nodes, but they generate rewards for you. So they go down here to the website, it tells you everything about it, etherstones.financial. It'll show you everything about the Etherstones, what they are, how they operate, how much percentages you get, and it also shows you exactly how much it costs to create a stone. Like I said, right here, show you everything, you know. So I was part of it, you know. They had something going on. They have something innovative, you know, 2 ways to earn rewards: create a stone, get rewards, or you can stake your money into a vault and you can earn a wrapped Ethereum. So we're gonna go over here to Dex Screener, where you can check everything out. Right now, currently, it's sitting at $1.70 a coin. And if you look back in the history, like I said, we got in at 60 cents a coin. If you took option 2, 60 cents a coin. It topped off at $3.18. But coming to the dashboard, right now it's currently only 1.5 in circulation, and they have about approximately 727,000 locked up in Etherstones. And what's in their vault, they show the crystals and stones like that, but what's in their vault right now that's staked is 104,000. You can compound your stones right there every 12 hours, and when you compound, your money goes right here to the vault. As you can see, I got 15 staked, and you get wrapped Ethereum. So that's what it is right there with that one. So a lot of people been asking me, why did I bring up Lava Financial if I feel this strongly a way about nodes right now and how the node situation is going down? And I just think that Lava Financial got a lot of things going on that a lot of projects missed out on and the opportunities that they had. But you know what? You can't get advanced in something or get to this stage without learning from other people's mistakes. So I think Lava Financial actually took advantage of that, and they're revamping their whole thing. So I want to show you what I saw that made me think that Lava Financial was going to be in a good position when they launch. So people ask me, why did I like Lava Financial? And I'm going to show you the main highlights of it. It won't be a main video. It won't be a whole big video about it. You can go back and look at my past video of the reason why I like Lava Financial. And the first reason is I like them is they're doing everything in phases, which a lot of people do. I know people like, ain't nothing new. Everybody do everything in phases. But the reason why I like them is because the way they're phasing things out, instead of just having their main token be the one that you're going to be rewarded in, they're trying to phase it into their own native token. They're going to start off with USDCE, as you can see right there, as the initial means of revenue share that they're going to give to their people. But then they're going to phase in Lava, being 100% the payout that you get. So what they're doing is they're building a structure so that way you're getting paid this to begin with. Then all of a sudden they're going to give you in Lava to be the main token that you get with your rewards. And that's going to help them be 100 self-sustainability. The second reason I like in Lava is because of their structure. They have 3 node structure: Fuji, Krakatoa, and Nova Rupta. Now the Fuji is 100 Lava to get in. The Krakatoa is 200 Lava to get in, and a Nova Rupta is 500 Lava to get in. And as you see, the first one you get 0.8 Lava a day as your rewards, and the second one you get 2 Lava a day for your rewards, and the third one, the big one, Nova Rupta, you get 6 tokens per day for your rewards. Now the reason why I like them, because I know you're gonna say right then and there, well, that's no different from everybody else. they have a maintenance fee attached to their structure. What people don't understand, when you have a maintenance fee attached to your node, that helps the project out. You had a sale tax of 10% with them when you sell your lava, but on top of that, to help sustain the project, they have a maintenance fee. And for the little one, which is Fuji, there's a $15 maintenance fee per month that you have to pay. And that actually helps it out. From my new standpoint, if one person owned a Fuji, they will get $15 a month from that Fuji. But if 100,000 people have a Fuji node, they're getting an extra $1.5 million a month, which they can help use to sustain the project. Now, with the Nova Ruptor, they have a $35 maintenance fee. Just say they have 100,000 nodes of that. That is an additional $3.5 million a month the project has at its disposal. That helps sustain the project. You understand what I'm saying? Look how long Strong has been around and what Strong is doing based on just having that structure right there. A lot of projects miss out on that, I believe, the opportunity to sustain their projects by having that maintenance fee that they didn't take advantage of. Along that point right there, you can fuse your nodes. A lot of projects, you can't merge your nodes together. You're just stuck with one node here, one node there, with different values in them. But with Lava Financial, you can merge your nodes together and create a massive node, which is the Nova Ruptor, if you start off at a low point, which is actually a good thing. That way you can maximize your rewards in the long term just by waiting till your opportunity presents itself. So I like the fact that they allow you to do that. Along with the two other points I made, they also have document on ways they're going to build revenue streams for their projects. I won't go over all of them, but the main detail that a lot of people do not use is that they're trying to use blue chip cryptos like XRP, Avalanche, Matic, Solana, different projects that are not going to go anywhere for no time soon. They'll probably be around as long as crypto is going to be around. So anytime you invest in those and you stake them, you earn up to 20%, that 20% actually helps out the project in so many ways. So just kudos to them for doing that. And then on top of that, they got plans for 3 other projects coming out in-house that they're going to be dropping that's actually going to be generating revenue that they can actually trickle down to help out this project sustain by passing out those rewards. So you got to understand the main point of that. You know what I mean? They're trying to build self-sustainability. You can't build self-sustainability if you don't have the whole foundation laid out to where the money's going to come from. If you're just announcing that you're going to give people rewards and you don't have a plan where the reward's going to rewards going to come from, and you're just going to use taxation to get the rewards back to the people, it's not going to work. Then they show that tokenomics is only a 10 million supply. The initial launch price is on 60 cents. I'm going to be honest right there, you're going to have to fight like hell to get that 60 cents. You're more than likely going to get it like $1.80, $2, because it's going to shoot up high. The max you can have in your wallet is 20,000 coins per wallet. Now, I would like to see that number drop down to like maybe 5,000 or 10,000. That way you can have some control across the board, because you got 20,000 in a wallet at one time. That means a whale can come in there and buy 100,000 coins, well, 20,000 coins, and dump on the market when they choose fit for the price for them, which is going to cause the price to drop, and then they can re-enter once the price drops. So I would like to see that change a little bit. They got a 10% burn rate, and they got a 50% transfer tax. 20,000 max per wallet. A person gets more rewards. They want to get another wallet, transfer it over there. Well, no, they can't do that, because if they try to transfer 20,000 over to the next wallet, they're going to lose 50% of that. So it actually deters somebody from actually wanting to transfer their tokens from one wallet to another wallet if you're going to lose 50% of them. And then we come to my last point, which is the OTC system. See, currently, in order to sell your tokens on the market, you have to go to either Trader Joe or some other secondary market to trade your coins in. What Lava Financial doing right here is actually the most innovative thing I've seen when it comes to that. They're building their own server on Discord where you can actually whales can sell their tokens to different people without even touching the market. This is, if you don't understand what that does, that means, okay, so let's say for instance, I have 1,000 Ethereum and I want to sell my 1,000 Ethereum. When I sell my 1,000 Ethereum, which is $3,000 a piece, it's going to be a total of $3 million. That $3 million is going to put a big dent into the market. It's going to make the price drop. But if I can sell that 1,000 Ethereum offline onto like a server individually to people that want to buy it, it never touches the market. It won't reflect on it, and it won't change the price. So a lot of financials actually doing something good where you can have an OTC system where you can sell your coins to people that's willing to buy it, and it won't reflect or change the market price. That's one of the reasons why I think they're going to be a big deal. Trust when I say this. Don't trust when I say this. Do your own research. Don't take anything I'm saying as financial advice. This is me talking to you on the computer. So that was it, family. That was my update on my whitelist for Etherstones, as well as what my thoughts on Lava Financial was and the potential that it had and why I think it's going to be a great project. Hey, you can leave me a comment if you don't agree. But other than that, Hustle Crypto family, it's been a good video. I got to get up out of here. I'm in a hotel lobby, people talking to me and moving around. But I love it. You know what I'm saying? I love everything. So with that being said, remember, do your own research. Stay safe and always be hustling crypto. See y'all in the next one. Peace.